Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to post chapter 9's question number 11 and 12 of brain teasers. So both the questions are important. So pay attention to the question first. It is written divide 243 into 3 parts such that half of the first part, one third of the second part and one fourth of the third part are equal. This question can be done in many ways, but I am doing in the most easiest way. So see here, total we are to divide 243. 243 may be some amount. So first I have written, it is written such that half of first part. So here I am writing let first part is equal to x. Let second part it is equal to y, and let third part it is equal to z. Now according to question, half of the first part will be x by 2 and one third of the second part will be y over 3 and one fourth of the third part, half of first part, one third of the second part and one fourth of the third part is z over 4. Let it be k. K is any constant number. So we have assumed all these equal to k. So x upon 2 will be equal to k. So it is x is equal to 2k. Then y upon 3 is also equal to k. So y is equal to 3k and 3 into k 3k. Z over 4 is equal to k. So z will be equal to 4 into k, that is 4k. Now total is how much? 243. So first part plus second part plus third part it is equal to 243. Now we will substitute the values of x, y and z as obtained above. X is 2k, y is 3k and z is 4k, and it is equal to 243. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 is 9k and it is equal to 243. So k we will find out 243 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 6 24, 9 sevens are 63. So we have got k as 27. So therefore first part which we have assumed as x, and x was equal to what? 2k. So 2 into 27, that is equal to 54. Then we will write second part. Second part is y, and y is what? 3k. So 3 into 27 and it is 81. Similarly, we will find third part. So third part is z, and z is 4k. So 4 into 27, that is 108. Now if you add this and this, you will get 243. So it will be proved that our question is correct. Now I will do second question. This is question number 12. So I am reading the statement once again. A purse has only 2 rupee and 5 rupee coins. The sum of the total coins is 36 and the total value of the coins is 84 rupees. Find the number of 5 rupee coins. Neither we know how many are 2 rupee coins nor we know how many 5 rupee coins are there? We will assume any one. So first of all, sum of coins is given 36. I will write that sum of coins, it is equal to 36. So let number of coins of rupees 2, let it be x. So therefore number of coins of rupees 5, what will it be? From the total number of coins we will subtract the coins of 2 rupees. It is 36 minus x. Now we will find value. So value of coins of rupees 2, how will it be found? 2 and x will be multiplied, so it will be rupees 2x. Now value of coins of rupees 5, so again rupees 5 will multiply 36 minus x. So we will solve it. 5 6 are 30, 3 is carry, 5 3s are 15 and 3 18. Minus 5 will multiply x also. So it is rupees 180 minus 5x. Total value of coins is also given. Total value of coins, how much is it given? Rupees 84. So we will add first the value of 2 rupee and 5 rupee coins, that is 2x is of 2 rupees plus 180 minus 5x is the value of 5 rupee coins and it is equated to 84. Now we will solve it. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x and 84 minus 180. So minus 3x will become 10 minus 4 is 6, 17 minus 8 is 9 with negative sign. Minus and minus cancel. X is equal to 96 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. This is 32. Now what is asked in the question? 5 rupee coins are asked. So here we have 5 rupee coins as 36 minus x. Therefore number of coins of rupees 5, it is equal to 36 minus 32 and it is 4 coins are there of 5 rupees. Hope you have understood question number 11 and 12 of brain teasers of chapter number 9. If you really have understood in the most easiest way, then you must subscribe the channel so that you can get the regular updates of the videos of solutions posted by me. And you should like the video and you must share with your friends. Thank you.